everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I am journaling in my A5 Hobonichi, and I hope that you have a journal or a planner or something that you enjoy, because that's what I like to do. I sit and I journal and I kind of show you what I'm doing, and I just kind of talk and just kind of word vomit all over you, and you can journal or play or art or plan, and we'll do it together. I hope there's not bizarre background noise, because I'm sitting in the school parking lot doing this voiceover because it's an early out today. I don't know what it is about my school district that they think that a full day of school is just unheard of. So in Hobonichi, there is a blank day at the beginning of each month. So before Sunday, we had a blank day at the beginning of March. I'm sure people that are wonderful and productive write goals for their month, or I don't know, and something cool. But I just like to glue stuff down. So this was an image from the Real Simple that I flipped through a couple days ago, and it was about we all have a fire inside of us, but we can't light it all on our own. Wow, that was not right. The screen isn't big enough for me to see what it actually says, so I'm just kind of winging it. But it was something like that, and I really like that because that's how I feel right now. I'm trying to light this fire and I can't do it myself. So in short, that's kind of why I put it there. That little pouch, my mom got me. She found it. Her and my dad went and drove around Winterset, Iowa. The bridges in Madison County, all those bridges were in Winterset.
Fun factoid.
So she found that pouch somewhere in a little gift shop, and it is a cat butt coin purse, a field guide to cat butts. And I love that my mom saw it and thought of me. So I put the little tag from that in there. And then that little girl, her and Pam and my mom stopped by my house, and she gave me this super duper cute card. And so I cut out the little girl because I wanted to keep her for my journal. And then I kept the writing in another place. So I just thought it was really cute. And some flowers, because she has a friend that is a florist, and when she has extra flowers she gives them to Pam, and then Pam doles them out to people. And she was like, yeah, I'll probably have more after Wednesday because she has a funeral that day. What? Oh, that's just so weird. But anyway, so flowers, and it's just so lovely. I loved it. And then I had cut out Sprocket photos of Addie riding her bike, because we spent pretty much all day outside. I think I mentioned this to you guys in my planner video. And I cleaned my car, and it was hideously atrocious. So I was doodling some goldfish crumbs, and then that red blob was actually a squished cherry tomato that I found under the seat. So like I said, if you ever feel dirty, just come to my channel. And I was sitting outside, and Addie had been riding her bike down the hill, and then she said, I got you something, Mom. And so I said, what? And she pulled out these 4 pine cones, and she lined them up, and there was a large one, a medium one, a small one, and then an extra small one. And she said, it's our family. Oh my God, how cute, a pine cone family. So I took a picture of it. What else can you do? And then I'm using all of these stickers just to represent all the other crap that I found under my seats, popsicle or not popsicle, sucker sticks and books and toys and junk. And so I was just writing down about that, and then putting a little stop sign, because I'm putting an end to it. I am putting my foot down. At some point, your children are old enough that they do not need a snack for every 5-minute ride that you are in the car. And we have reached that age. And I am declaring it to be so. So I'm saying stop. We're not doing it anymore because this is ridiculous. And unless you're going to vacuum it out, you need to quit. So I'm putting in some of those word stickers, all of these sticker packs. Some of them are American Crafts. That one up in the corner, I don't know if that one's American Crafts, and I can't see the label, so I'm not sure. But they're all really cute. And I'm putting in hearts because, just put a heart on it. So that one sticker book that is like shine bright and unicorns and gems and stuff has those cute like hand-drawn sticker heart stickers, which I thought were adorable, so I put that in there too. And then I flipped to the next day and realized that I had not prepared any of my pages, because like back in December or November, somewhere then when I was unstoppable, I had prepared like my first 3 months of my journal pages, and we're already through the ones that I had prepared. So I quickly went and slapped some watercolor on the pages for March. And if you're wondering what I'm talking about, you can watch one of the videos called Prepping My Journal Pages or something like that. And essentially it's just putting watercolor down in my pages, and sometimes I put stickers, date covers, number covers, washi tape, whatever, and it just makes it so that you're not faced with a blank, boring old piece of paper when you go to journal. So it works for me, so it's a tip I would recommend. And then I put that sticker that said nap time on Monday because I had a lot of things that I wanted to get done, but I ended up taking a nap. And then that shine bright sticker, I put that in there because that was the theme of like the planner kit that I used this week. So I thought that was cute. That cat is so funny. It was from a real simple piece of collage, and it's just sitting on the rug like staring up. And that's just my life lately. So I put in that sticker down at the bottom because you guys, I don't watch the news. I do not watch the news because it totally wigs me out. My brain can't handle it. So I have been very deliberately ignoring everything to do with the sweeping global pandemic. I just can't handle it, you guys. With everything else going on in my brain, I don't have room for a global pandemic, all right? So I just have been ignoring it and living in blissful ignorance. And so I could not do that at dance because that's pretty much all the moms wanted to talk about, and it was wigging me out. So I put my to-do list, do not panic. Let's just try and find the middle ground somewhere between buying 40 gallons of water and all of the toilet paper across the county and, being reasonably prepared to spend a few days at home. Let's just keep our heads together, you guys. I am not good at finding a middle ground. If there has ever been a understatement of the year, it would be that. I'm terrible. I am such a black or white person. I am post every day, 20 times a day, or post never. I am a eat 5,000 calories a day or eat 1,200 calories a day of the most healthy food that you can find. There's no middle ground. I am terrible at it. And so in this whole situation, I know that I am setting myself up to go absolutely insane. Because medium is not my specialty. So I was putting in the words, find like the gray middle. Find the gray area. It doesn't have to be black. It doesn't have to be white. There are 50 shades of gray. Oh. And while I'm at it, probably I should read some more erotic fiction because that makes me really happy. True story. If you want some good recommendations, just DM me because I've got about a zillion. And let's see. Oh, this heart star, what are my shapes? That is a heart, and it is a sticker that Addie made in her class, her art class. and then they turn them into stickers. And then that little unicorn going poot, that was from Pam. She found those stickers and she really loved them. And so she bought them and she gave them to me. And then I was putting this this Squatch sticker because it's just what I love, and this Don't Get Tired of Me Yeti sticker, because I know I keep talking about the Just Put Heart on it, and I'm going to keep talking about it. So don't get tired of me, Yeti. And I was writing that when my stress goes up, it's like math class, like in 8th grade when you studied like inverse relationships and direct relationships. There is a direct correlation between my stress level and the amount of Sasquatch shows, YouTube videos that I watch. The higher the stress, the more Squatch in my life. I don't know. It's just how I turn my brain off. I don't know, you guys. I am such a weird person. And then I have to work this afternoon, so I'm putting in work 3 to 11. This is Wednesday, and I'm talking about Tuesday like it's today. It's Wednesday. I don't know, this already happened. And now my kids are coming out the school door, and I'm sitting in the car talking at my phone. I gotta go, and I'll be back in a second. Everyone's collected, and it is now about 5 hours later, and I'm sitting in the parking garage, sitting in my car again, trying to finish this before I go into work. Maybe one day I'll get to sit on a couch like a real boy. You guys, it's just one of those days. Just one of those days that needs a unicorn going hoot. So it was perfect. And then I'm just putting hearts on it. So I don't know what else to say except for please check out my description, and if you appreciate the whole just put a heart on it thing, when something's ugly or you don't know what to say, you can just put a heart on it. And that's what we're doing right now to help my friend Becca and to help a lot of people that are going through some really shit things. So, or at least that's what I hope it will be. But right now it's for Becca, and it's really important to me. So check that out. And this is my journal. If you're new here, I can't say that this is abnormal. It's just me. So take it or leave it. I hope you take it. Thanks. Bye.